Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Have you heard about the advantages of drinking lemon water every day? Well, in this video, we'll teach you about an even better lemon water. There are so many benefits of this recipe that we'll just summarize them in a few bullet points. Sweetens bad breath, strengthens the immune system, prevents colds and flu, increases energy levels, improves digestion, accelerates the metabolism, balances pH levels, cleanses the skin, improves mood, tones the lymphatic system. The recipe for this special lemon water is simple. We're going to teach you how to make it step by step. Ideally, you should drink it in the morning before breakfast. Look at how easy it is. Ingredients: 6 lemons, pure honey, 1/2 liter of filtered water. Instructions: wash the lemons well and cut them in half. Next, put them in boiling water for 3 minutes. Then remove the lemons from the pan and pour the liquid into a glass. Add honey and enjoy the delicious drink. What's left over you can store in a glass bottle in the refrigerator. You'll feel much healthier if you drink this lemon water, either at room temperature or chilled, every day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.